Giving makes good happen. Donations like yours help patients like Andrea and Ian have healthy, loving hearts. Andrea was 32 years old when she had her heart attack, requiring a stent followed by 12 weeks of cardiac rehab. 4 years later, she had a baby girl, Hannah. Life was perfect. But in August 2023, that changed. 40-year-old Ian experienced chest pain and ended up with 3 stents of his own. Although it was 11 years apart, both recovered from dangerous heart blockages, crediting the excellent care they received at St. Mary's Hospital.
Bon Secours means compassionate care. From the moment you step into the ER or whatever doctor's office, etc., I know I'm going to get excellent care, and not care because they have to, but I feel truly cared for, that they get to know me as a person and then they join me in my health journey.
Ava Stokes understands the vital importance of your support of the Bon Secours Violence Response Team better than anyone. Thanks to your generosity, Ava had a team of professionals to help her after she was violently assaulted as a college student by a stranger who broke into her apartment.
I didn't need to be ashamed of what happened. I didn't really, even though I felt it, I didn't need to feel that way because there were people who wanted to help me. There were wonderful groups of women who wanted to uplift me and help me understand that what I went through was horrible, it was traumatic, but it's something that I can heal from, and it's something that I continue to heal from, every day.
You gave Bob peace of mind during his cancer battle. Chemotherapy, radiation, and immunotherapy left him physically, emotionally, and spiritually depleted. Thanks to your generosity to the Cullather Quality of Life Center, Bob was able to find solace through professionally guided meditation.
It has helped me to be more centered and more open-minded about things, and I have regained my sense of positivity about life. The cup is either half empty or half full. Well, it's back to being half full.
Because of you, Nyla is beating the odds. When Nyla Reynolds was born with a life-threatening chromosomal disorder, she was not expected to survive. Your support of Noah's Children, Central Virginia's only pediatric palliative care program, means that the Reynolds have the support they need in meeting the challenges of Nyla's diagnosis.
We were blown away with the love, the affection that came from Noah's. Everyone sitting around the table, they're talking to us. They made us feel heard, made us feel loved. And even though the experience was a lot that we were about to embark on, we knew we had someone that was there to support. And their support has meant everything to us.
For more than 30 years, your generosity has helped the Bon Secours Caravan Ministry bring good help right into the heart of underserved neighborhoods. The first time Yasmin Garcia stepped onto the caravan, she was a frightened 6-year-old who spoke no English. She found kindness and compassion in that space. And today, as a registered nurse working on the caravan, Yasmin is committed to providing that same kind of care for families in need. After struggling silently for many years with severe anxiety and depression, Ashley decided it was time to seek help. She credits the behavioral health care she received at Bon Secours for saving her life.
If there had not been a spot available for me the day that I went in, I probably would have changed my mind, and that would have changed a lot for me. It saved my life. And everything that I have now is because of that.
Your gifts, like Amy's, to support our hospice programs ensure all patients and their families have access to quality, compassionate care throughout their end-of-life journey.
I think it's most comforting to know that the program is growing and has been accepted by the community, and the community is there to raise the funds to contribute to the endowment, to build the hospice house, and ensure that it's a resource there for generations to come, that the community hospice house is there for the entire community, not just for Bon Secours Richmond.
Molly's life was saved because St. Mary's Hospital had the skills and tools they needed to respond to her stroke, thanks to donors like you. Molly shared, "Every second counts when you're having a stroke, and they knew exactly what to do to save me. St. Mary's was the hospital that saved my life 3 times. Your donations allowed AJ to fulfill his dream of a career in nursing through a College of Nursing scholarship.
What the scholarship meant to me is more than I could express. What it means to me is an opportunity. It means a chance to do something great, something to give back.
Your generosity supports the Richmond Hope Therapy Center, where children like Blair are provided compassionate care while teaching patients to walk, stand, and improve their mobility. We cannot fully express how amazing this facility, the therapists, and the entire staff are. As parents, we feel so much comfort that the Richmond Hope Therapy Center team is behind Blair and us. Your donation ensures quality medical care is available in rural communities like Rappahannock General Hospital in Kilmarnock.
So primary care, emergency care, rapid transport, these are all assets that this hospital provides, and we're involved because we want to see them get even better.
When I heard that the funds we gave and give and will continue to give will remain in this community, that was really crucial to me, because I know Bon Secours is a big foundation, but I wanted my money to stay in this community that I love so much. And they promised me they would do that, and they have.
Your gifts support the team caring for 12-year-old Tegan and allows Bon Secours to purchase specialized pediatric equipment, walking with her family every step of her journey and making the hospital experience less traumatic.
I mean, we know our outcomes, that what, possibly is to come. And I'm okay with it because they've made it okay. The scariest thing that I could have ever gone through, they were there for me and her. And it was wonderful. They were there every step of the way, and they will continue to be there every step of the way.
These are just a few of the ways your giving makes good happen as Bon Secours cares for our community from their first step to their last, and many moments in between.
To all of the Bon Secours donors, thank you. Your gifts, your donations, money, time, all of it is what allows us to continue to have a life as a family and to continue our story.
What I would say to the donors, I would first express my sincerest gratitude because what they've contributed is game-changing, because you're not only educating students, you're educating future nurses, and who knows, someday maybe one of those nurses will be your nurse.
And I thank you so much for what you do.
And I hope to be able to thank them with whatever I am able to accomplish, with all of the extra life I feel like I've been handed.